Hey, what's up, guys? We're getting ready to do an installation, and we have all the team right here. We got Nacho, we got Luis, and myself. And we have the decals right here. Hopefully the rain won't get in the way because the rain just stopped right now a few minutes ago, and I can see a few drops coming down, but hopefully it'll stay like that, you know. Hopefully it won't get too bad.
It won't kill us.
Yeah. We haven't taken a shower, so probably we need that. So
And for yourself. Man.
so we just got here to the place, and just like I thought, you can see the rain. Oh well, we'll see what we can do. Hopefully the guy has a garage or something. Well, luckily the guy had a garage, so we just got done with the installation, and as you guys can see, we got wet, so but we were expecting it. Well, thank you very much. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys until next time. Do you guys want to say bye?